Hi friends, have you ever wondered how was the Earth formed? And why it is the only planet with life? If you did, then here is your answer. As you know, Earth is one of the 4 inner, terrestrial planets in our solar system, along with Mercury, Venus, and Mars. These planets are relatively small and rocky because rocky material was the only substance that could exist close to the Sun and withstand its heat. At its beginning, Earth was unrecognizable from its modern form. At first, it was extremely hot, to the point that the planet likely consisted almost entirely of molten magma. Over the course of a few 100 million years, the planet began to cool and oceans of liquid water formed. Heavy elements, like iron and nickel, began sinking past the oceans and magma toward the center of the planet. As this occurred, the planet became differentiated into layers, with the outermost layer being a solid covering of relatively lighter material while the denser, molten material sunk to the center. Before getting to a point where the materials separated into layers, scientists think there were 3 different stages that formed Earth. The first stage is known as accretion, when particles within the solar system collide with each other forming larger and larger bodies. The next stage is thought to have occurred more than 4.5 billion years ago. A protoplanet crashed into the very young planet Earth, which might have resulted in the formation of Earth's moon. The final stage of development saw the planet get bombarded with asteroids. They slammed into Earth, the moon, and other inner planets contained a significant amount of water in their minerals. The asteroids hit the surface of Earth at a great speed, shattered, and melted. Experiments suggest nearly 30% of the water in the asteroids could have remained on Earth. Earth's early atmosphere was most likely composed of hydrogen and helium. As the planet changed, and the crust began to form, volcanic eruptions occurred frequently. These volcanoes pumped water vapor, ammonia, and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere around Earth. Slowly, the oceans began to take shape, and eventually, early life evolved in those oceans. Around 2.7 billion years ago, oxygen produced by bacteria undergoing photosynthesis began to build up in the atmosphere. In a few 100 million years, it changed the composition, or the makeup, of the atmosphere. Our modern atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, among other gases. Life on Earth evolved to thrive in that atmosphere. What makes the Earth habitable? It is the right distance from the Sun. It is protected from harmful solar radiation by its magnetic field. It is kept warm by an insulating atmosphere, and it has the right chemical ingredients for life, including water and carbon. The processes that shape the Earth and its environment constantly cycle elements through the planet. This cycling sustains life and leads to the formation of the mineral and energy resources that are the foundation of modern technological society. And that was the answer to your question. For more content like this, like and subscribe this channel.